Error 20.26.0.0 in eFootball Mobile means the app can't process coin purchases. This is usually due to problems verifying the transaction between your device, the game, and Konami's servers. First, restart the eFootball Mobile app in your device. Then ensure you have a stable internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data often causes this. Try switching to a different, more reliable network, like 5G or a wired connection if you're on PC. If the problem persists, proceed to the next steps. Keep in mind that Konami has released several patches throughout 2025, so ensure your game is up to date. This will fix many common issues causing this error. If basic restarts and stable connections didn't resolve the error 2026-00, let's move to advanced troubleshooting steps. First, clear the app's cache and data. On Android, navigate to Apps, find eFootball, go to Storage, and clear both cache and data. On iOS, go to General, iPhone Storage, find eFootball, and offload or delete the app, then reinstall it. Next, check for operating system updates on your mobile device and apply them if available. As a last resort, experiment with different payment methods, such as trying a different credit card or using PayPal. Consider using a VPN to bypass potential regional payment restrictions, which can be useful depending on your region and payment types. If none of these steps work, contact Konami's support team through the in-game menu or their website for further assistance. If the problem persists, there may be server issues that will resolve themselves with patience. Finally, check community forums like eFootball Mobile for other user solutions.